all my friends, they're ready to go. You turn around, oh, I smile at you. That's when you shout down. I give you all these clues, and you still don't know what to do. And you still don't know what to do. Rocking in the streets to this funky beat.
The beat, funky little beat. Funky little beat.
That funky beat.
Funky little beat.
Rocking in the streets. Rocking in the streets.
must be a lie. Must be a lie. Silent morning. Silent morning. They say up, they say up, they say up. Why did your love have to Must be a lie, must be a lie. Silent, silent morning. Silent morning. I say yo, party people all over the world, homeboys, fly guys, and pretty girls. Let me take time out to introduce myself, cause I'm the man who cuts around like no one else. See, I rock the house so viciously, you might think I'm from another galaxy, but for those of you who do not know, it's the gigolo that's rocking this show. You see, I do fresh shows around the world and chill in hotels with pretty girls, walk on red carpets under my feet, and I lay my body down in executive suite. Shovel around everywhere that I go, and I'm always stretched out in a stretch limo because I'm cold as ice and no so smooth. But wear leather in the summer and still be cool. You see my rhymes so deaf that you can't resist. So if you need to bite something, bite this. My mama, yo, mama hanging out clothes. My mama sock, yo, mama in the know. Did it hurt? No. Did it hurt? No. Chicka, chicka, no be, no be, no be. All the children gone to heaven won't be back till 10 after 11. Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. This is how it goes. I got a 20-room pad like the YMCA. Beverly Hills, California is where I stay. I got a silver Rolls Royce and bodyguards. 2 German Shepherds that patrol the yard. And when you come inside the central AC, you can watch the dirty movies on the cable TV. Check out the room that's so unique with the mirror water bed and the satin sheet. With a kiss from my lips, I can make you strip. I'm gonna love you so fine, I make your backbone slip. Like a Kentucky Fried Chicken, I'll do you right. Gonna rock your body to the early light. I'm 6'4", my legs kinda bold, might rap a little slow, but my name ain't Joe. At Joe so bad I body slam Mr. D, cause I'm always on, I'm never off. The captain, the leader, the head and the boss. I'm a little conceited, you can sound my mess, but one thing for sure, my rap is fresh. I got a girl in the cotton field. She won't, but her sister will.
pump up the party, pump up the party.
Now damn.
Pump up the party. Pump up the party. I'm ready.
Now damn.
Pump up the party. 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 Pump up the party.
Now damn.
Let it jam, let it jam, let it let it jam, let it jam, let it let it jam, let it jam, let it let it jam, let it jam, let it.
When your body gets this feeling and you don't know what it is, got you moving, got you grooving, got you rapping with the peel, and you know that you are grooving 'cause you feel it in your soul. When the Latin tongue starts flowing 'cause the power takes control. It's that Latin activity. It's that activity.
Roll the track, step back, and let me activate a lighter sound provided by Jam and James on a flex. Guess what's coming next? A dope rhyme by the DTTX on the mic to engage in a row. Pump the brown sound where I can active flow just for you and your crew, so you can taste the rhythm from this Latin active race. As it takes control of your body and soul, feel the physical change, and you'll be so. You can't stop what starts to take place. Your body starts to groove to the ditty dope bass. That's what happens, as you can see. Now let the crew explain the Latin activity.
Latin activity. It's the Latin activity. Teardrop, putting the others in a sickness. A Latin female, dope to get with this. Hype out your track with a lyrical concept. A brown queen known to break it down in one step. So legit, the microphone just passed it. Right to me, the one just chosen to grasp it. Just drop the mic that you were holding, 'cause with the lighter shade of brown, that's how I'm rolling. Latina, taking over the microphone and rocking the place with a little bit of soul and treble and bass as I rock hip hop non-stop and make you dance. I have a question. Are you still in a trance? En inglés, en español, como quieran el ritmo. Muevan sus pies y bailen al ritmo. Hacerlos bailar es mi misión y Latin Active es la canción. Activity. It's the Latin activity.
I get Latin active when I grab a microphone. Brownies on my tip, begging me to come home. I know they want more, screaming for an encore. Fellas getting jealous, so they try to ignore the O to the D to the M-I-M. We rock the lyrics, and before you know it, bam, we got you dancing to our song with a lot of shit around. Well, hey, it's on once again, my friend. You gotta have the soul. Get on the dance floor, lose control. When I lose control, I get sort of active. My mind starts back.
que yo soy un latino activo.
Big Band Legend.